In today's video, I'll be doing a review of WordHero. WordHero is an AI writing tool that helps you write high quality blog articles, social media captions, emails, ads, sales copy, product or SEO description, marketing ideas, and even poetry and song lyrics in just one click. WordHero offers an entire suite of 50 plus writing tools with new ones added constantly. Also, I'm doing a giveaway of an AI writing software. For that, you just have to comment down below on why you like WordHero and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let's go ahead and take a deep dive into WordHero. I'll leave a link for the lifetime deal in the description below this video. So this is WordHero here. It's available on AppSumo for a one-time payment of just $89. So this $89 doesn't include the long form editor. So for getting the long form editor, you have to spend additional. So talking about the features, so here as you can see, you get unlimited copy forever. Then you have access to this 50 plus writing tools, and then you have this access to all the future writing tools or templates. So what we'll do is we'll just go into the WordHero and I'll show you what they have to offer. So here as you can see, this is the main home screen here, and this is the main long form editor. So what we'll explore each and every templates here. So first let's check out the business templates. In this you get this book description, book titles, then brand name ideas, feature to benefits, marketing ideas, product description. Then we have this product name, startup ideas, startup slogan, then startup value proposition. Then in the marketing, you get this Amazon product description, blog conclusion, blog headlines. Then we have this blog topics, cold emails, email subject lines, Google ads, Facebook ads is there, lead magnet is there. Then we have the sales page, guarantee your sales page, headlines, website about us, welcome emails. And in social media, here you get this personal opinion, then social media post idea, video description, video titles. And in the writing tools, you get this AIDA copywriting formula. Then we have this grammar corrector, example provider. And in the miscellaneous, you get this cover letters. Then you get this personal LinkedIn bio, then poems, food recipes, song lyrics, Quora answers. So what we'll do is we'll just go to the editor here. So this is the long form editor here, and here you'll be able to write entire blog post here directly. Now what we'll do is we'll just give it a headline like how to start affiliate marketing for beginners. So this is going to be the topic for blog. So next what we want is we want this intro here. So I'll just copy it here and I'll click on write for me. So here as you can see, this is the blog intro here. So I'll just use this one. So this is good. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money online. So if you are a beginner, there are a few things you need to know before getting started. This article will teach you how to start affiliate marketing for beginners. Okay, so this is very good. So next what we'll do is we need to come out with the outline first. So this is the outline here, and I'll just again do the same thing here, how to start affiliate marketing for beginners. So now this will give us the outline here. Okay, introduction, what is affiliate marketing, how to get started, create your platform, okay, promote your product, okay, monetize your site, conclusion. Okay, so I'll just copy each and everything here. So next going to write paragraph for each and every point here. So let's click on block paragraphs here, and I'll just copy this. Introduction, what is affiliate marketing, keywords to be included. Okay, so keywords will be the same here, affiliate marketing, and I'll click on write for me here. Okay, so this is the block paragraph here. So affiliate marketing is a type of performance based marketing in which business rewards. Okay, so this is the introduction which we can use here. So I'll just copy paste it here. So these are the points. Then how to get started, research and planning. So again, I will just give a short description. How to get started. So you just have to mention here in detail, like with affiliate marketing, and what will be the keywords. Affiliate marketing, then one will be research, and then the next will be planning, because we need to include this keywords. So write for me. So this is the paragraph here. So what I'll do is, affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online. Okay, figuring out, yes, so here are the few tips how to get started with the research and planning. Okay, so this is good. So what I'll do is, I'll just copy this one and I'll just paste it here. So these are our points here. Okay, so similarly you can do for the next outline also. Okay, so now what I'll show you is, I'll show you the conclusion directly here. So this is the block conclusion, and you need to just enter the topic here. So this will give us the conclusion. Okay, in conclusion, affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online. However, it is remember that it is not a okay. So this is good. So under conclusion, so as you can see, in no time I was able to write like 400 words. Okay, so if you write it for like maybe 15 words, you'll be able to easily write 2000 words article. So next, what I'll show you is, I'll show you how you can also use this WordHero to write description for YouTube. Like say, I'll use the same topic, like how to start affiliate marketing for beginners. So you can use this in your video description. So similarly, so if you want to write answers for Quora, you can do that as well. So you can go into miscellaneous, go to Quora answers and mention the question like how to start affiliate marketing for beginners, and click on write for me. So the best way to start affiliate marketing is to, so as you can see, you get this answer directly here. Also, if you don't like the answer, you can just regenerate it, write for me again, and it will give you a different answer. So the third point is missing. Again, what I'll do is, I'll just downgrade here and write for me again. So you can use this one. So this is good. Overall, I am really impressed by this AI writing tool because it has a lot of really unique and very useful and intuitive features that allow you to create original human-like content in one click. And the most important part is that you can create unlimited content. Other AI writers, I will definitely recommend going ahead and grabbing this one. So as always, if you like this video, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next video.